Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today we will talk about the new OneUi 7 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I was super excited for this update at first, but after using it for a while, I have got some real thoughts to share. Both the good one and the not so good. So let's get into it. So starting off, yes, the OneUi 7 brings a lot of new UI changes and new features. Everything feels fresh, smooth and more modern. The animations are more clean and the overall look of the system is definitely a big upgrade from the OneUi 6.1. If you love exploring the new features and want your phone to feel new again, you're definitely going to enjoy it. But not everything is perfect. After updating, the first thing that I noticed was the battery life. As before the update, my Galaxy S24 Ultra could easily last all day with some battery left, but now the battery timing has dropped by almost 1 to 2 hours. And that's without changing my using habits. It is pretty frustrating, especially before the battery life was one of the strongest points of the S24 Ultra. And now let's talk about the bugs. There's a really annoying lock screen bug after you press the power button. Instead of locking instantly, the phone locks after a 1 second delay. There is this wallpaper glitch on the lock screen and it looks super glitchy and unpolished. Now I do have a fix for it. You can simply go into the settings and then from there tap on display. From here you have to tap on the screen resolution option. From here select Quad HD Plus and simply apply it, but it will fix the issue, but it will also drain your more battery as it consumes more battery in the Quad HD Plus. But the issue will be fixed if it is annoying for you. But to solve it, you will have to compromise the battery timing. I was really hoping that the Samsung would fix these bugs with a follow-up update, you know, the ones they usually release after the big stable rollout. But unfortunately, the issues are still there as for now. So here's my honest advice. If you are someone who loves new UI changes and can live with a few bugs, and some battery loss, then go ahead and update to the OneUi 7. But if you want stability, bug-free performance and some better battery life, I would honestly suggest you to stick around to the OneUi 6.1 update until the OneUi 7 is totally stable. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were my thoughts on the OneUi 7 update. Do let me in the comment section your thoughts on this new update. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.